All right, today it's kind of a weird one. I've been made aware of a couple of mystery boxes that have shown up. I promise you, I have no idea what's inside of them. It's part of some strange and cryptic unboxing scenario. There's this company, Mischief. They're the ones that sent me the walk-on water sneakers, the shoes, the Air Max with the water in the soles. You may have caught that video. So Will has some of the details on his screen over here. I presume they're putting out these boxes. There's gonna be some kind of limited supply. Now, I wanna tell you right now, I'm not affiliated with this in any way, Will. Their pitch is that you pick up this box, you will get some item between like $1, maybe even less than $1. I think there's something super troll-worthy, which is a chewed stick of gum. There's a pre-order for a Cybertruck. There's a Vespa scooter. There's the Jesus shoes from the previous video. There's a Louis Vuitton bag over there. But then if you scroll down a little bit further, you may also get a pink wig or a pair of undies. Man, if there's a chewed piece of gum in this box, it's gonna be very upsetting. But see, it can't be, because they know they're sending it to me. So are they gonna send me the chewed stick of gum? So then I show you a chewed stick of gum, you say, there's no way I'm gonna participate. Okay, but here's the craziest part. Their angle on this thing, since they're trying to be as viral as possible, and as you would be if that was your goal. Okay, look at this. This is the scenario. The box appreciates in value, $10 per day for 100 days, up to a $1,000 payday. You could buy this box and just sit on it for 100 days and send it back to them and they'll give you $1,000. Now, this is the other point in time where you gotta put the big disclaimer on the screen with the sirens. I'm not telling you to do this. I am in no way affiliated with this. I'm not associated with it. I just said, hey, if you wanna send me some mystery boxes, I'll take a look, because I have no idea if they're gonna give you this $1,000 at the end of 100 days. So I have 2 of these boxes here. They sent 2 because it was kind of a challenge to say, hey, we're gonna give you the $1,000 if you don't open one of the 2 boxes. Of course, I gotta open both, Will. You think I'm gonna sit on some box? It's called Unbox Therapy. Yeah. Unbox Therapy, not box therapy. I'm about to sit on some box in 2020. I'm about to do it. These are the boxes, they're kind of big. And I've been told that the box itself is some sort of fancy endeavor. So this should be interesting. I don't know, can you call them prizes? Well, the whole reason that this segment has had the scandals it has because it attracts kids to buy the things thinking they're gonna get something amazing, and it's kind of like some sort of gambling. It's the special tape. You see, it's a lot of hype, Jack. Boom. Surprise are fun, Will. I don't know if you knew that. As you'll see on the top here, option 1, open the box. This is a mystery box which may contain anything. Well, almost anything. Check the side to see your chances. And then option 2 right here, don't open the box. This is a guaranteed investment if you can control your curiosity. After 100 days, this box appreciates up to $1,000 in value and can be cashed in. The thing costs $100. Presumably, every single human should just chill and sit on the box and return it for the $1,000. You know, you lift it up, could be anything in there, man. It even says do not open. They're trying to encourage you to get your grand. Oh man, it's too much to handle. Here's the item list. Vespa scooter, Rolex watch, DJI drone, Volleyball jacket, Louis Vuitton bag, Mischief Jesus shoes. You can actually get the shoes. And look at the percentage chance of getting that, 0.1. And of course, we gotta do it. Oh, it's a DJI Mavic Air. Look at that. Fly More combo. What is this worth? This is worth more than $100. This is $800. There's been a few more rules around drones recently. Wow, look at the nice little carrying pouch. That is cool. Look how tiny this thing is. Ooh, this is cool. Look at that. Bang, bang. To connect the analog thumbsticks. Hey, Jack, remember when you crashed a drone that one time? Just got reminded of that. I just had a flashback. The boat. Don't crash this one, Jack, please. This is the drone. Look at this little guy. So cute. Look at that. Fold it up. I think Arctic White's the right color to get with the contrast. Very stormtrooper type of vibe to it. I didn't expect to do bad, but we're not doing bad so far. That's a big time score for a $100 box, an $800 item. Take it with a grain of salt, all right? Paperclip is the most likely outcome on the outside of the box. Paperclip. Remember that, kids, all right? Before you put your coins in the slot machine. That could be a paperclip. It's quite possible. But even if it is a paperclip, I want to see a paperclip only because to illustrate the fact that there's a wide variety here and to show some degree of balance to how these things operate. Granted, what if I go inside there and it's the Louis Vuitton bag? Oh, it's light. This one is lighter. To illustrate what they're doing best, they should send us one of each. A premium option and this should be a paperclip. I'm guessing that's a paperclip. I knew I was gonna unbox both of these when they said they were gonna send them. I just knew it, so I don't mind. Same premise, same box. You can check the value of the box by texting this particular number, and it will tell you how much it has appreciated based on how long you've been sitting on it. It will tell you what the cash value equivalent of the box is at the moment that you check up based on $10 a day appreciation. Delayed gratification. Can you handle it? Well done.
Hey man, there might be foil.
It's a pack of Pokemon cards. Maybe there's a $100 Pokemon card inside the pack. Maybe. Spinner Rack, Spider Scram, Nincada, Eevee, Hoppip, Pick-a-Peck, Electro Power. This one has some. This is a shinier card, but it's a trainer. I don't know if that's good or not. Maybe somebody knows. I don't know. Wobbuffet, Wobbuffet, Warren Buffett, Vespiquen, Mina, Alolan, Doug Trio. These mystery boxes are going to continue to be controversial, but it's an interesting way to do it. Now, I fully expect these things to be limited once they eventually go on sale. I don't know how limited. I really have very little information beyond that. But I will tell you, don't expect a Mavic Air. In fact, what's the official line on the Mavic Air? 0.1%. 0.1%. That mean, what is that? That's probably for their whole deal. That's probably one, and it's sitting right there. So just keep that in mind. Look at the odds. It's on their website, so know what you're getting into. That's my my recommendation when it comes to this. But look at that little guy. That's cool nonetheless. Mysteries are always going to be mysteries, and that's why they work.